Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko nang magluto. Kada ingredient, kada potahe, when it all comes together, parang ang saya ko. Simple lang naman kasi talaga ang gusto ko. Magkaroon ng resto, maging head chef. Pero alam mo sabi ng pamilya ko, ang babaw daw ng pangarap ko. Lumaki ako sa angkan ng sundalo. Wala naman akong anything against it. Sa totoo lang, proud ako. Pero hindi kasi yun yung landas na gusto ko para sa sarili ko. Hiling ko lang na sana dumating yung araw na magkakaiba man yung opinion namin, suportahan nila ako gaya ng pagsuporta ko sa kanila. Dahil sa totoo lang, proud naman ako sa lahat ng naabot nila bilang militar, polis o sundalo. Hindi lang yun talaga ang swak sa pagkatao ko. Ako si Roy. Di porkit ito ang hilig ko, malambot na ako. Maiintindihan kaya nila na this time, sawa na akong maging pushover. My love, alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ng term na peer pressure. It's when everybody's doing it and you feel like you need to do it. So even if you don't really feel like doing it, kumbaga hindi yun yung passion mo, hindi yun yung gusto mo, you end up doing it just because everybody else is doing it. Hindi siya applicable sa term ng pamilya, but then again, it happens within the family. Lalo na kapag lumaki ka sa angkan na puro lawyer, puro doktor, puro sundalo, puro professionals, double degree. Tapos, you are not saying that your dreams are simple or simpler. It's just that it's different. Pero for them, it's not as hefty, it's not as grand, it's not as big as yung mga nagawa nila or na-achieve nila in life. And they start looking down on you because of it. It happens po sa family, whether you believe it or not, it does. Lalong-lalo na sa mga pamilya na ang parents may mataas na expectations sa anak. Some people would say, naku, problema lang ng mga may pera yan, problema lang yan ng mga mayayaman. Kapag wala ka naman pera, wala ka naman choice eh. Kung ano yung mapagtatapusan mo, kung ano yung mapag-aaralan mo, yung mapagkakasya mo sa budget mo, okay na yun. No, it does not work that way. For what it's worth, it's even harder yung pressure kapag lumaki ka sa pamilya na alam mong naghirap sa buhay. Because parang ano yan, my love eh, para siyang sugal. Naka-all-in sila sa'yo. Every resources that they have, every means that they have, every ipon na meron sila, all in on you. Andyan pa yung mga salitaang siya ang kauna-unahang makakapagtapos sa pamilya natin, siya yung mag-aahon sa atin sa kahirapan. At some point, nakaka-proud makarinig nun. Pero when you are that person, there's a whole new level of pressure dawning down on you. And sometimes it's overwhelming. You feel like wala kang choice of your own kasi wala kang option to fail. Kasi all eyes on you. Expectations are too high for you. So you start developing a habit of saying yes to everything. Kasi you don't want to disappoint. Ayaw mo sila masaktan, ayaw mo sila ma-off, ayaw mo sila ma-disappoint sa'yo. So yes ka na lang ng yes. So I do understand if at some point si Roy, feeling niya na de-devalue yung passion niya. Because everybody's expecting him to be something that he is not. He is not passionate about, he is not happy or thrilled about. Meron siyang passion and yet parang discredited yung passion na yon as something na more of a hobby than a career. So naiintindihan ko kung saan nanggagaling si Roy. And naiintindihan ko din if aabot siya sa point na tapos na siyang maging pushover. Na gusto niya nang magsimula na i-break yung chain. Not because gusto niya lang rebelde, not because gusto niya lang maging unique, But this time around siguro, gusto niya kasing for the first time in a long line of generation, gusto niyang merong isa sa pamilya niya ang magsimula namang mag-go after what they are happy about. Naniniwala pa rin kasi ako, my love, na if you love what you are doing, if you are passionate at it, if you really are having fun doing it, then you can be proud of that career. Then that career would mean something to you. Pero kung ginagawa mo lang siya out of compensation, out of completion, out of requirement, pansin mo, parang you're dragging yourself every single day just to get it done. So Roy, if that's what you want, if you think the pressure of your family is too much, and you think it's about time for you to stand your ground, and push yung profession that you are passionate about. For me, that is bearing a heart braver than a soldier. And I think your parents will be happy. Siguro nga merong pagtaas ng kilay sa iba, pero I think your family will be okay with it. Especially your parents. Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa programa not because we assume that they won't understand. Ibig sabihin they won't. Let's do not underestimate the power of understanding na meron yung mga parents natin sa atin. Sometimes we just need to ask them kung okay lang, kung pwede, if they will allow to, or would they be happy? Will it be okay para sa kanila? And even if it's not okay with them, do they think in due time mapapatawad sila for doing something like this? Kasi my love, yung love na meron sila sa'yo, yun yung tinatawag nating unconditional love. Yun yung patotoo sa salitang unconditional love before romance has ever been made. Yun ang totoong manifestation ng unconditional love. So if there are certain people in your life that would understand your choices, I'll bet my life on it, your parents would be the first one. So if that's the road that you want to journey on, then go for it, my love. I am happy for you for standing up for yourself. But do not discredit your parents. Ask or inform them. Let them in. Talk to them. Open up. Kasi maaaring tataliwas ka sa henerasyon ng mga sundalo, pero that doesn't mean tataliwas ka sa kanila bilang anak. Klaro?